Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make your very own Bluey paper mask. Materials needed: Bluey construction paper, scissors, glue, thread. Next, carefully cut along the outline of Bluey's face using your scissors. Take your time to ensure you maintain the shape and details of the mask. Next, carefully cut along the outline of Bluey's nose using your scissors. Now carefully cut along the outline of Bluey's eyes using blade. Now fold the mask as shown in the video. Now stick nose to the face using glue or double-sided tape. Now make a hole on either side of the mask. Tie the pieces of the thread to the mask on either side. And there you have it, your very own Bluey paper mask. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fun DIY projects. Thanks for watching.